So before we start this video, I just want to let everyone know that has a paid subscription to my channel that the dyno results are finally in on Cruise Missile. Keep an eye out for this thumbnail. The dyno result video is now active in the members section. Thank you. Are you looking for performance parts for your first generation or second generation Cruise? Check out supercruises.com today so you could order your parts directly from me. Good morning, everybody. I appreciate you checking this video out. So, supercruises.com and the Dave's World YouTube channel is something that's created by the cruise community with the cruise community. A lot of the parts I create are parts you guys asked for. Behind me is my Generation 1 Cruise. This intercooler system was literally created for you guys. I got together with about 20 cruise owners, and based on your feedback and what you guys wanted added to the system, I decided to build this system for you guys. It's built with you in mind, it's built with everything you wanted, and it's built with horsepower in mind for future upgrades. One of the awesome things about this intercooler system is I could actually offer it to you in a lot of different colors. I have a lot of options on the website. I have a lot of different types of materials, including carbon fiber. It's a really cool system. I'm gonna be getting this car to the dyno so I can show you every step of the way of the type of horsepower this car is gonna create with all the different modifications I have coming. It's going to be getting a big turbo. It obviously has an intercooler system. It's going to be getting a cold air intake, and there's going to be a lot of different modifications coming, and everything I build for this car will be on my website. So with this video, I just wanted to show everybody how easy it is to put this intercooler in. It's about a 1-hour install, and the hardest part of the whole thing is actually getting the bumper off, which is pretty easy. I didn't even have to take the car into my shop. I literally did it right here in my driveway, so I could show you guys how easy it is to do at your own home. Okay, so I just wanted to give you guys a close-up on the intercooler system. It's actually fully installed. The car can run and drive. I have a big turbo coming for this car, which is why I wanted to get the intercooler in. I'm going to be removing the air box system and the ram air and coming out with a custom ram air setup. and I have a big turbo coming on my website. So I'll be getting this car to the dyno so you guys could see some horsepower gains. But one of the big things I wanted to be able to do with this intercooler system, not only does it look really cool, it looks really nice through the front grille, which I chose to actually cut my front grille out so you can see the intercooler more, but you don't have to. So the OEM intercooler has a pipe that pretty much runs over the top of the oil filter. I wanted to be able to still gain access to the filter and pull it out. So that's why I designed the pipe the way that you see it. The other thing I wanted to do is get rid of the boost sensor being on top. So my boost sensor is actually underneath. Every single intercooler will come with a brand new boost sensor that'll be underneath the pipe, and all you have to do is rearrange your harness a little bit and it'll be able to plug right in without a problem. The reason I wanted this is I think it looks nicer, it gives the engine bay a much nicer look, plus if I send you like a carbon intercooler or a flat black intercooler or gunmetal gray style, you can show it off under the hood. So this is going to be a brand new channel build. Right now it's named Black Widow, but in the future it's going to be getting a V8 swap, and its new name is going to be CRUZILLA. I'm trying to do like a CRUZILLA playlist because I think it's going to be a powerhouse. This thing's going to be a monster. It might be a drag car. I don't quite know what I want to do with it yet, but I just want to bring you guys some really awesome content. I do have a 450 horsepower LS1 with a 6-speed manual sitting in my shop, and I've been basically hunting for a car to put it in, and I'm thinking I might do this, but for right now I want to see how much power we can get out of this engine before I do anything crazy like drop a V8 into it. Again, the reason I do these things is because my Super Cruises website and my Dave's World YouTube channel is literally grown by the cruise community. It is a family business, and you guys are part of my family. I give tons of discounts, and I make a lot of custom things that are specific to everyone's car. There's no person that buys something from me that has an identical part to someone else, because I pretty much customize everything. I enjoy it. I enjoy giving you guys everything you want for your car, and hopefully you keep contacting me. I enjoy doing this for a living, and that's why I give back to the community as much as I can. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a very nice day, and if you ever need anything, just ask.
Feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go, go, go.